Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. And if you're joining me in this challenge, awesome. So this video is week 3 of the 12-week fall cleaning challenge. Every week we clean something different. I will have a link down below to the invitation for this challenge, so if you're not familiar what it's all about, you can check it out. It's pretty much, I challenge you to clean and organize different areas every week. We're not deep cleaning, we're simply decluttering and organizing an area. Although this week I am cleaning out my office, which I will be showing you some cleaning as well. The next week is kitchen, and I will have the checklist link down below, so make sure you check out my blog for the list of things that I will be cleaning next week. And if you wish to clean along, you can print out the checklist, or you can just clean along something that you need to clean. So this is Monday, and typically I dedicate half an hour to 40 minutes to cleaning an area or decluttering an area. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So on Monday it was my office, and I do this during nap time typically, or in the evenings. My office gets out of hand because it is also my workshop, and I haven't gone through a lot of my files in a while, and it just a lot of paper needed to get decluttered. However, a lot of the paper, if it's recipes or notes that aren't important, that aren't confidential, I will reuse that paper for crafts with the kids, so that way I'm not wasting a lot of paper waste. So here is, you just saw my table, which is my work table where I do all my crafts, and now I move on to my desk, which had gotten a little out of hand. As you can see, I was switching out the core and all sorts of stuff, and then I needed to clean out this is actually a computer desk, and this is the part that would hold the keyboard, but I had added all these little baskets so I can, and using it as a drawer so I can get organized. So I was just going through all that. So yeah, I will I have been posting stuff on Instagram as I clean most of the days, but so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter, as well as Pinterest.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
This cupboard in my desk I have barely used, which I need to utilize it a bit better, but I end up shoving things in there that I don't know what to do with, and I need it, so I just needed to go through it and maybe figure out what to use it for in the future.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll
And this is my shelf, which is my filing cabinet, my storage shelf, my organizational shelf, you name it, everything's in there. I have my planning notes for YouTube, I have my planning notes for daycare, I have all my planning stuff for Disney travel, I have my home binders, my workout binders, you name it. I have been really trying hard to put things back as once I'm done using them to proper places, and I have to say I have done it for about 80%. There's still times where I just shove something in there and then I have to refile it at a later time.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
I don't know about you guys, but my basement windows get absolutely filthy all the time and just disgusting. There's green stuff growing on them, there's sand, there's all sorts of stuff. It is my least favorite thing to clean in the basement.
Gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble.
So here it is, all clean, tidied and organized. I keep, like I said, my scrapbooking supplies are here as well. Also my files, my scrapbooking pictures, my extra electronics, travel bags for my planners, all sorts of stuff. And my desk is looking pretty good. Those are receipts that currently need to get filed, which I will be working on later on. And my table is ready for a next project. That green bin has all of my leftover fall stuff that I haven't used yet because I'm not fully done decorating. The next day, Tuesday, I was working on my family room. While I started working on it, then I ended up getting a phone call that my daughter wasn't feeling well at school, so I had to get my mother-in-law to come and stay with the daycare kids so I could go and pick up my daughter. My mother-in-law lives next door, so it wasn't a very big problem, but she wasn't feeling 100% either, so it was easier for her just to sit here while the kids were napping and for me to go and pick her up. So I started off with windows, then I moved on to baseboards, I washed my curtains, and then I clean under the couches. I vacuum these couches every week as part of my deep cleaning, so I wasn't doing that because I was gonna do that on Thursday anyway.
And it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light.
This end table is my least favorite. This is where my husband has all of his charging stuff for his iPad and for his phone, and he doesn't like anything on that side table. And I end up with a ton of toys underneath this couch as well. And you just saw me use my Norwex mop with the pet attachment. I also keep my extra diapers up here and wipes in case I need to change bumps when we are upstairs.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn.
So since I did my family room over 2 days, this is now a Thursday, and it was banister washing day, and this is a lot of work, and but it has to get done. I don't really love it, but it has to get done.
Didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
And I just want to say that my dog is not dead. He's 13 and a half golden retriever who is very deaf and partially blind, and when he sleeps, he really sleeps. I can step over him, he won't even notice I'm stepping over him. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys can join me for the next week's challenge, which I will have all the details linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Sleep.